Hi, I'm Dr. Hakan from Dr. Hakan Clinic Hair Restoration Istanbul. Stick around as I explain stem cell applications in hair growth and witness the power of this therapy.
Stem cell therapy stimulates existing hair follicles, making them thicker by reversing thinning caused by miniaturization. This therapy also plays a crucial role in stabilizing further hair loss by promoting a healthier scalp environment. Additionally, combining hair transplant procedures with stem cell therapy brings another benefit: rapid progress. Patients undergoing this combined approach often experience denser results in less time than expected. See these patients who achieve these results in under 6 months with the combination of hair transplant procedure and stem cell therapy.